so talking about number 16, as you see, in the meanwhile, I added some things here. Why did I add these things? Because what we have here, okay, let's go one by one, is a 10 frame. Now, this is not a 10 frame of number 16. This is a 10 frame of a different number, but we're going to use this number line to figure out how many more of these little circles do we need to add to make a 10 frame of number 16. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We have, how many do we have already? So let's count 10 frame, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay? We have 11, okay? So, what can we do now? We are at 11, but we want to get to 16. So what we can do what is called counting on. So we start from the first empty field and we just continue counting, moving our fingers every time until we get to 16. Okay, so let's see, I'm here at 11, so this should then be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, I counted on, I continued counting. Let's do one more time. So here I am at 11. We already know that this is 10 frame of 11. Now I'm continuing to count. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? So I'm now going to add these. Okay. So let's see how many I added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 11 plus 5. Now how am I going to check if this is right using the number line? So I'm going to add these two numbers. I'm going to start at 11. And it says plus 5. So let's see if I'll end up at 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm at 16. Okay, let's double check from 16. 5 hops back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm back at 11, just where I'm supposed to be. So this was a correct sentence, okay? And this is what a 10 frame of number 16 looks like, okay? So this was our first thing. Now let's see here. Here I have a tally, but do you know which number? I'll give you a few seconds to look at it. So we have 5, 10, and 2 more, 12. We have 12. Okay, so let me write that here, 12. And let's see how many more pieces we need to add to get to 16. Okay, so we are at 12, and just like I did counting on here, I'm going to do counting on here as well. So I'm at 12, after 12 goes 13. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so let's see how many I added. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it says 12 plus 4. Let's see if that is 16. Okay, so 12, so from 12, 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I am at 16. 12 plus 4 is 16. And backwards from 6, 4 hops. For 16, 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I am back at 12. And this seems to be correct as well. Okay, so you have number 16 on number line. Okay, we know that number before it is 5, 10, 15. Number before it is 15. Now you can't see here number after, but I think you all already know that that is number 17. Okay? Now what is also important is that number 16 is an even number. What does this mean? If we count on by 2s, we are going to get to 16. So let's do that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, so 16 is an even number. Even number. Okay, so this is something that you're going to write down in your number 16 worksheets. Even though you have their spaces to practice writing this, you have tally, you have time frame, you need to add tally, numbers after and numbers before, okay, and count 16 circles and color them in. So what else I have here? I have a very simple, I have a presentation. You've seen these before, and we're just going to go very quickly through it, but I'm going to send it so you can do it at home if you feel like it, okay, just if you want to see, okay, so all about number 16, this is what it looks like, and here it is presented in different ways, okay? So why am I sending you this? I think that this is a good opportunity for you to do the following things. So everything that you see here, there are 16 of those, okay? So here you have 16 white squares, white circles. So you can use these to count in twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, okay? So you can use those. Here's how to write. You can use this cube tower again, 2, 4, okay? Practice counting by twos, okay? Let's see, their time frame is the same as our time frame, just different colors, but that's not important. Okay, number line. And, okay, here you can help this girl. So she needs to pick 16 strawberries. Here are some strawberries. So can you help her pick 16 strawberries by clicking 16 times, okay? And here you will see some more fun tasks. So for example, again, this lovely girl, Adla, wants to find a jar of sweets with 16 sweets. Can you help her? You need to count and click on the right jar, okay? So that was the presentation. And then there is one more thing I'm going to send to you today, okay? And this is not something that you must do. So this is not your homework that you have to do, but this is more an extra task. So if you really like maths, if you're enjoying adding number, using the number line, I'm going to send you 2 activities where you can add different numbers to get to number 6, okay? There are 2 activities like that. So if you're a fan of math, you're going to have a lot of fun this weekend, okay? If you don't feel like practicing additionally, that is okay, but please do this part and practice the movements with our teen number song. Okay, guys, that is it when it comes to math, and I'll see you soon for your geography lesson, and I'm also going to tell you what is our topic for show and tell next Friday. Bye bye.